This is grade 5, module 2, lesson 27. And the objective reads, divide decimal dividends by two-digit divisors, estimating quotients, reasoning about the placement of the decimal point, and making connections to a written method. So very similar to the last objective in the previous lesson. I'm going to use the homework problem number 2, and it reads, in a science class, students water a plant with the same amount of water each day for 28 consecutive days. If the students use a total of 23 8/10 liters of water over the 28 days, how many liters of water did they use each day? So this one's actually two parts, so there's two questions. How many milliliters did they use each day? So the first one was how many liters, and then how many milliliters. So I know I'm going to have to do some conversion. Let me go ahead and start with the target sentence for the first part. And it reads, they used blank liters of water each day. And then the second part is very similar. It's they used blank. Now we're going to say milliliters of water each day. I'm just going to use my quotes here. Okay, so to solve this problem, let's look at the information I have here. They use a total of 23.8 liters of water over the 28 days. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take 23.8 and I'm dividing that by 28 days. I'm going to do my estimation, and this is going to be 30 divided by 30. So my answer should be pretty close to the whole number 1. So let's go ahead and figure this out. So I have 23.8 as my dividend, and I'm dividing it by 28, my divisor. And I already know it's less than 1 because 28 divided by 28 is 1, so 23.8 divided by 28 has to be less than 1. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to solve this problem using my long division strategies. And this is a 4 and 1. I'm going to add my 0 here, which remember doesn't change my value, but I'm extending my quotient another decimal place. So I think 5 would work here. Let's try it. 5, 4, yep. Okay, so remember I have 85 hundredths, and what I was trying to find out to initially start was how many liters. So we had 23.8 liters here. So this answer right here is how many liters of water they used each day. So that's the answer to my first question here. So they used 85 hundredths of a liter of water each day. So now I'm going to do my conversion. I'm going to just erase this work here. And we've already did the conversion in previous lessons, and so the students are pretty familiar with the strategy, but I will go ahead and show you how to do that again. So I have 85 hundredths of a liter, or decimal point 85, which is equal to decimal point 85 times 1 liter, which is equal to 85 times 1,000 milliliters. Oops. This is a pretty simple mental math problem, so this would be equal to 850 milliliters. So that would be the answer to the second part of our problem. They used 850 milliliters.